Hi viewers, welcome to this channel. So before you watch this video, please kindly watch the different real-time projects in end-to-end manner playlist which are available in our channel, and kindly join in the Telegram channel of Software Courses Work Support channel. Subscribe, like it. So in this video, we are going to speak about how do we use Python in Power BI. So the previous video we have discussed about MSBI. So what we have done there, those entire things you can do by using the Power BI. So we can we can clean the data, we can transform the data, we can analyze the data, and we can visualize the data. The main purpose of Power BI desktop is to visualize the data. But here there will be different kinds of data sources. So Excel, CSV, etc., SQL, etc. But here what we are going to do is that we are going to use Python coding from data loading to visualizing the data using the Power BI desktop. So here what we need to do, so do we need any additional libraries in order to use Python in Power BI? So here one thing we need to do is that you need to have already installed a Python in your laptop or a PC, and after that you need to connect it to the Power BI by going into the settings. That is the Python interpreter should be selected in order to connect to Power BI. And after that, the very first step you need to do is that you need to load the data by using the Python coding itself. So in order to do that one, what we need to do, we need to go into the data sources and go into the more option, and there you Python script option. So once you click on that Python script option, new window called a Python script editor. In that editor you need to write the code. So by using the Python coding, you will be loading the data to the desktop of Power BI. So here, how do we clean data? How do we analyze data? How do we visualize the data? By using the Python. So here Python will be utilizing some libraries such as pandas library, numpy library, matplotlib library, seaborn library. So the main use of pandas library in Python is to clean the data which is in raw form. The data which will be given by the client will be in the form of raw data. That means it will be having some duplicates, it will be having some empty columns. You need to clean those things. Okay, so but that can be done by using the pandas library. That I have uploaded a number of videos in the data science tutorial. So the data science playlist is also available, which consists of pandas also. And after that, if you want to perform the analytical operations that we have done in the SSAS, you can do the numerical analysis by using the numpy. So you need to have numpy installed, you need to have pandas installed, you need to have numpy installed, and the numerical data will be modified by using the numpy library. And after that, if you want to visualize the data which is given by the client, you will be going for matplotlib and a seaborn. So combinedly we will be using matplotlib and seaborn in order to visualize the data. So you will be having a Python visual in the toolbox of Power BI desktop. So all the visualizations will be done in that only. For example, if it may be bar chart, it may be pie chart, it may be line chart, it may be column chart, whatever it may be the thing, you can do. If you want a beautiful, colorful visual, in that case you will be going for the seaborn visual. So this is the thing you need to do. So you can connect the data, so in the Power BI itself. So maybe you can clean the data, you can numerize the data, you can visualize the data by using the Python coding, by using all these libraries in Power BI desktop. So whatever the functionality that Python performs in the Anaconda setup, so that is using the Jupyter notebook, that functionalities can be done here in the Power BI also. And again, this is about the Power BI using Python and what libraries it will be employing and how to install. Thank you so much. I will be making more videos regarding this end-to-end projects of Power BI using Python in the future classes. Kindly subscribe to this channel, like it, share it. Thank you.